What's up, YouTube? This is Barber Illuminati. Thank you for watching my all blade videos. Please subscribe, press the like button, give it a thumbs up, comment down below. And also find us on Instagram, follow us, comment, whatever you have to do. Good night. What's up, YouTube? This is Barber Illuminati once again with a high skin fade. As you can see, if you're familiar with watching my videos, I usually ball out with the T outliner, and this is exactly what I'm doing. I want to take a minute to say thank you to all of those who watch my videos. It's been very interactive, a lot of questions, a lot of compliments. I appreciate that. It's myself and my viewers' responsibility to keep this channel growing. My goal is to have a minimum of 100 videos before the year ends. And I need you guys to continue to support this channel in order for me to stay motivated to do what I do. Barber Illuminati. Anyway, as of now, I'm balling out with the T outliner. What I'm going to be doing, I think I used the OA for my first guideline. Then the 000. I think on this haircut I used 50 behind the 000. It's been a few days since I recorded this video. My memory is getting a little blurry. However, I should be able to walk you through this haircut with my eyes closed. Barber Illuminati. Also, you guys who watch the videos, I encourage you guys to hashtag Barber Illuminati. What it means to be a Barber Illuminati is basically a guy who cut hair full time with no side job. Your bread and butter is haircutting services. You do not work any other job but haircuts only. That's Barber Illuminati. So when you're doing your hashtags, I encourage you to hashtag Barber Illuminati. It's a movement. Barber Illuminati is a movement. We taking over with all blade haircuts. And I'm excited. Like I said before, I'm balling out with the T outliner, and I'm excited. Shortly, I'm going to be doing my first guideline. As you can see, with the end is shaver, I'm doing the usual, shaving the side of the head after the T outliner. I use my the way you use the shaver. As you get to the near the hair, the longer hair, you kind of reduce the pressure from the shaver, so you want to create a hard line. Sometimes I create a line depending on the texture of the head, sometimes I don't. It's an on and off thing, but I know I have no problem removing any line that may be created while using the shaver, so it doesn't matter to me. But I know some of you guys having a problem removing lines. The only thing I suggest is that as you approach the darker areas of the hair, just release the pressure from the shaver. You should be fine. As of now, I'm doing my first guideline, the OA blade. I keep saying guard, but it's blade, the OA blade. I'm doing my first guideline. I'm taking about an inch right now. I usually take about an inch or less. My steps with my all blade haircuts is very basic, nothing complicated. I don't think I'm doing anything special. Some people think I do. I am doing something special, but I don't think so. This is my 000 at an angle behind my OA. And I'm looking good. I get all excited doing all blade haircuts. I don't brag much, but that I brag about all the time. I realize I'm a very special guy. Not that I think all blade haircuts are special, but I take my time to master all blade haircuts, and I have the absolute right to, talk as I please and say as I please. By the way, this is a 50 blade. I come behind the 000 with that hair texture. It's necessary, but majority of the time it's not necessary to use the 50 after the 000. So what I'm doing now is OA guideline, 000 fade, 50 fade. That's what I'm doing right now. I'm going to repeat the OA one more time like I usually do. We're creating the guideline, touching it up. Then I'm going to come behind it with the usual blades. So far, so good. This is a gentleman I just met right before I record the video, and we decided to go for it. Go Navy! In the meantime, I want to say hello to Custom Made Barbershop, Jacksonville, Florida. What's up, Marvelous Barber Studio? What's up, Marvelous Beauty and Barber School? Jose the Barber, I see you. Jesus Cuts, I see you. Angelic Cuts, I see you. Tico Cuts, I see you. What's the other one? R Cuts, I see you. Victor Barber, that's right. Victor Barber, I almost messed up your name. I see you. Yeah, these are my colleagues, my guys. We do what we do every day. Barber Illuminati. Anyway, this is the 1A behind the 1.5 at an angle. So far so good. That's the 1 at an angle behind the 1A. You keep your blade at an angle always. Avoid going straight up, so I want to create another line. I want to push my guideline up, angle, angle, angle. Then if the blend, to make the blend crispier, you simply repeat the steps. That's all. I use the OA one more time because it's necessary. I usually don't do that, but the goal is when you're blending with all blades, you go through as many blades as possible to remove the bottom line. As you can see, this gentleman head texture require extra steps, so I do the extra steps. So this is the 1.5. When I put it down, I'm going to come back with the 1A at an angle. Angle, angle, angle. I'm looking good. Then I'm going to pick up my 1, doing exactly the same thing, only slightly below the 1A. All blade video is easy. Whether it's easier than adjustable clipper, I don't think so. I won't even lie to you. I would not say something like this. It's a bit harder because that's why a lot of people keep away from it, because your mind is programmed to do things that are easy. If it's challenging, most people keep away. So that made me special. I took my time and learned and mastered the all-blade haircuts. Here I am now. This is the other side of the head. I'm just fast forwarding this whole side. I'm just gonna walk you through it one more time. I just put down my OA blade. I come behind it with the 000 right now. This is the 000 blade. Then the 50 behind the 000. I usually don't do the 50, but this hair texture requires it. Bottom line. So far, so good. I'm repeating my OA one more time. I repeat the steps to get a crispier blend. This is the 000 one more time. We're looking good. Then the 50, a little bit of it, not too much. 50. Tap, tap, tap. I'm telling you, corners, corners, corners. This is my 1.5. I'm actually blending into the hair on top. I usually don't do guidelines because by the time I get to the 1.5, I'm technically blending onto the hair on top. So call it a guideline if you want to, but I don't think this is a guideline, because once I put that 1.5 on top, majority of the time there's nowhere else to go. If I do anything above the 1.5, I usually do clipper overcomb techniques, or yeah, that's usually my style. Clipper overcomb techniques when I come from the 1.5 blade. That's what I usually do. So this is the 1.5 repeat. The hair texture requires extra tricks, so I'm pulling out all my tricks on this haircut here. This is the 1A behind the 1.5. This is the 1. My 1 blade has a ceramic piece on it. I'm sure you guys are familiar with my 1 blade by now. For those of you who watch my videos regularly, this is the OA behind the 1. Most of the time I don't use the OA. However, this haircut requires it. So I have to repeat the steps at the very back of the head to make sure my blend stays smooth all around. So far, so good. Now I'm just gonna trim the top a bit. Put a nice lining on my man. We'll be out in a minute. I'm very proud of this haircut. It comes out nice and clean. This is a gentleman I'm not familiar with. We just met right before the haircut, and I asked him, can I record the haircut? He said, sure, no problem. Go Navy. So I'm excited to post this video, and I hope you guys learn from it. What to take from watching my videos is to learn all blade haircut. This whole channel is based on all blade haircut, nothing else. And I hope I make the whole all blade haircuts easy enough for anybody to be able to follow. It does not get any easier than that. I'm doing the front lining right now. It's nothing special. I usually start in the center of the forehead and follow it straight across. I square off the corners, then go back to the center, do the same thing. Easy day. I'm not doing anything special. People think I'm doing something special, but I don't think so. However, I'm very special for being the all blade master. That I will take that kind of credit. But as far as how I go about putting it together, it's nothing special. I encourage you guys to learn whatever this channel has to offer and try it for yourself, and send me a comment. Let me know how you're doing with that. And soon enough, when the channel begin to grow, I will be giving out classes, hands-on classes. By the way, if you're in the Lake County area, I'm the founder and CEO of Marvelous Beauty and Barber School. If you need some hands-on training, look me up. I'm not hard to find. I lay the customer back. I'm doing a quick razor lining. Then I throw a little bit of gel in his hair. Done. Hair cutting is easy. All blade haircut is easy. Repeat after me. All blade haircut is easy. What I do here is plain and simple. I'm not doing anything special. I keep saying that, but I'm not. I know people think that all blade haircuts are hard. Yes, it's much harder using all blade versus adjustable. I can tell you that. This is not an easy skill to master. However, if you follow my lead by repeating the steps, as you go through one guideline blended, repeat. That's my secret. And you have to commit yourself and persist to make sure that you master this thing. This is not something that you do one time, it fall apart, and then you just never try it again. No. A lot of people do that. No. I encourage you guys to get all your all blade haircuts. If you wish to learn this thing, pick up my steps and try it for yourself. All I ask is that you have to be persistent and consistent to learn this thing, to master the art of all blade haircuts. That's how I got there. I'm very proud of this haircut. It's looking good. My man looking good, fresh and clean, ready to go. Go Navy. We're doing the span, and I'm excited. You can hear it, you can see it in my voice. I appreciate you guys for watching my videos. I ask that you press the like button, give it a thumbs up, comment, make suggestion, recommendation, whatever you have to do. I enjoy interacting with the viewers. Please subscribe. Good night.